Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to set up the BTCPay server on Ubuntu 22.04 with Docker. First, install the packages necessary to add a new repository over HTTPS. Next, add Docker's official repository and GPG key to your system. After adding the repository, update the package index. Continue to install the latest version of Docker CE. Now, clone the BTCPay server repository from GitHub to your server machine. Change into the directory where you clone the BTCPay server repository. Next, export the environment variables that are necessary for the BTCPay installation. Continue to install the BTCPay server using the following script. Then, to check the BTCPay server status, run the following command. You can also verify all running containers using the following command. Next, you will need to expose port 49392 for the BTCPay server. To do so, edit the BTCPay server configuration file. Add the following lines to the BTCPay server section. Then, save and close the file, and restart the BTCPay service to apply the changes. If nginx is not already installed on your system, you can install it using the following command. Next, create a new nginx configuration file for the BTCPay server. Continue to add the following configuration. Save and close the file. Then edit the nginx main configuration file. Continue to add the following line. Save the file, then reload the nginx service to apply the changes. To enable SSL for the BTCPay server using Let's Encrypt, you can use certbot, a Let's Encrypt tool, to obtain and install SSL certificates for your domain. Now, open your web browser and access the BTCPay web interface using the following URL. You will see the BTCPay account creation page. Define your email address and password, and then click Create Account. You will see the store creation page. Define your store name, default currency, and price source, then click on Create Store. On the following page, you will see the BTCPay dashboard. You can now set up your own self-hosted BTCPay server instance, empowering you to take full control of your payment processing infrastructure.